Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you're trying to find a fuse for the heated front seats or ventilated front seats, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses so you don't waste your time and money. And also a common mistake people make sometimes when replacing a fuse that can actually cost you thousands of dollars. So that will be covered today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So V6, V8, it should work on both as long as you have heated and ventilated seats. Most people will open the hood and they'll try to find that fuse right here under that glove box guys, but it's not there, it's somewhere else. Where is that fuse? So if we come towards the back, now the car was in a little bit of an accident but runs and drives like a champ. We'll be fixing it soon. So we'll come towards the back here, open the trunk now. Look at those lights, beautiful. So we're going to go ahead, open here, and when we do that, we will come, lift that cover, so you can get to the, that's the cover for the trunk, and you get to the spare tire compartment, car battery and fuse boxes. That's a second fuse box. Now, when replacing fuses guys, not for all, but for quite a few fuses, and I would recommend to do it for all relays fuses, you have to disconnect the car battery. Because otherwise you can burn modules, computers, and that can be expensive to fix. But common mistake people make sometimes when disconnecting the car battery, you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn modules, computers, that can cost you thousands of dollars. How we know about it? We've done it ourselves on a Mercedes, $2,000 repair guys. So here we're going to open that, okay, that fuse box here, and let me explain what we have specifically here. Where is that fuse now for the heated seats or heated and ventilated front seats? First, why it's super important to test fuses? Because sometimes you cannot tell that a fuse is burnt. It's really tricky sometimes guys. And you may think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, end up being a bad fuse, and you'll spend time to fix a problem that doesn't exist, and you spend money on parts that you don't need. So always test fuses. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to test relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. So what do we have here? Now I'm just going to remove that relay. You don't have to do that. Why I remove it? Due to the fact that I can show you clearly what we actually guys have here. And now if you look, that fuse right here, okay, in that box that starts on this side, that fuse right here is the one, okay, that needs to be checked. That 20 amp fuse guys will need to be taken care of. Now somebody installed the wrong type of fuse. It should be this one, okay, like that, but they installed the longer one, which is the wrong type. That's the fuse for front heated or heated and ventilated seats. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.